Somebody say they might not even be there anyway. I lie awake and think of all the time it might take to reach them. Where did you go? It's always I don't know, I don't know. Carry me over if you're a healer, 'cause I don't know how long I'm gonna be. Tear me down, could you save my soul? Give me a reason to carry on. Sometimes I feel so temporary, just like those summer days. If I close my eyes, I can hear you laughing. And time is a friend when broken hearts are trying to mend, like this one. If I close my eyes, I can feel you're with me. Carry me over if you're a healer, 'cause I don't know how long I'm gonna be. Tear me down if you can spare my soul. Give me a reason to carry on. Carry on. Warm as the sun, you were the one who outshone me. In the darkness, everyone went away. You were the one who adored me. And it's so hard to say goodbye to you, so hard when I want to carry you everywhere, everywhere, so I don't forget. I'll carry you everywhere, everywhere, so I don't forget. But there's a blackbird singing. How long have you been hiding? Lost in the rain, you always prayed we would find a way. We were watching old movies in our little Technicolor hideaway, and on that soft screen, the beautiful ladies were movie queens. They glide on the floor singing melodies. sweetest reverie, melodies that I can't forget. But there's a blackbird singing. How long have you been hiding? We've been through so much. We've been through everything together. We've been through so much. We've been through everything together.